You are all welcome back, guys. Welcome back once again. And in this particular video, I'll be talking about how to run Facebook and Instagram ad on your phone. But before we go into that, I would like to touch down one or two things, and it's going to be revolving around Instagram and Facebook ad on phone. Firstly, then I'll be talking about using the boost post button for Instagram or Facebook ad. So I'll talk about the effect. Then I'm going to talk about the difference between running ad on mobile app and web. So I would share with us the insights of what the best practice should look like before we now finally go into the practical steps to running Facebook and Instagram ad using Meta Ads Manager, which we can download from the Google Play Store. So quickly, guys, let's delve into it. So the very first thing I want to talk about is, as you can see here, the Instagram and Facebook ad on phone. So you can actually run your ad directly from your phone using the Instagram app or the Facebook app. So you can do that. As you can see on my screen, this is the Instagram website platform. As you can see, this is it here, the same business, this particular business. You can see it. This is the mobile here, this is the mobile. As you can see, this is the mobile. So you can actually run your ad using your mobile phone. This is my mobile phone screen that I shared on my laptop. So now, guys, the next thing I want to talk about will be using the boost post button for Instagram or Facebook ad. Then the effects. Now, so many people would make the mistake of running ads using the boost button like this. As you can see, this boost button. So let me show you the Facebook aspect of this mistake. This is the same business on Facebook, just watch the mobile, and this is the same business on Facebook website as well, as you can see. So beneath it you can see something like boost posts, and this is same thing you can see on the mobile here. Look at the mobile here. As you can see, it boost posts. Look at it, boost posts. This is it here. This is the boost post. So many people, or should I say beginners in the advertising game, would use this boost post button, and the effect is it won't give you the result you really need, because boosting your post using this particular boost post button would only push your ad to irrelevant people. It is not going to give you the option to target, the option for detailed targeting. I hope you guys get that. Either on the Instagram platform, I'm going into the mobile now, either on the Instagram platform or on the Facebook platform. As you can see, this is the same boost post button. So what it does is, if you use this button to boost your ad, you are indirectly using the reach campaign objective if you are using the mobile the website's platform of Facebook. As I've actually explained about that. Let me go into my ads manager, website ads manager now. These are the campaign objectives. So if you are eventually using this boost post button, it's only going to push your ad for reach. You understand? It's just going to show your ad to different kind of irrelevant people. As you can see, we also have that same button here, boost post. So this is not just the best way to run ad. If you want to run your ad, is either you use the Facebook website platform, or you use this this particular one, this Meta Ad app. You can actually download this from your Google Play Store or your App Store if you're an iPhone user. So it's either you go through this mobile app, or you use the Facebook website platform. You understand? So using the boost post button would only waste your money. It's just as if Mark Zuckerberg is sitting there and you are spraying him money. You are spraying money on his head. So it's actually not going to give you the result you need. So this is not the best way to run your ad, not using the boost post. The only time I can recommend you using the boost post is probably you just want to send a particular ad to a lot of people, like reach, you just want the ad to reach so many people. So it might not convert to sales. So what you now want to do is you go through this Meta Ads app, or you go through the website, Facebook website platform like this. So you can choose different objective. So that is that about that for now. So now I will be talking about the difference between running ad on mobile app and websites. So which is the best practice? Now this is the mobile app. Now click on create this way. Now guys, let me switch back to now guys, as you can see, look at it, look at the objectives we have here. What is your marketing objectives? Look at it. We have post engagement, we have video views, we have website traffic, we have reach. This is actually what the boost post button will do to your ad. If you use the boost post button, your ad will be pushed for reach, for the reach objective. You understand? So we have reach, we have messages, and we have page likes. That is if you want to run your ad using the Meta Ads Manager app on your phone. So now compare these objectives here, compare it to what we have on the Facebook platform, Facebook Ads Manager platform. Can you see? We have awareness, we have traffic. This post engagement here, this post engagement here, you can actually get it here. If you click on this campaign objective, look at it. This is it. Now for this other one, the video views, you can actually get it here. This is it. Engagement, video views. As you can see, this is it here. Video views. Now for this one, the website traffic objective, this is it here. Traffic, as you can see, send people to a destination, link clicks. This is where you get this particular one on the mobile here. This particular one, this is where you get it. Traffic here. So the reach, you get it here. Then the messages, you can get that here. Under traffic, you can get messages under traffic, under engagement, and under sales. So but this particular one on the mobile here, you can't get it. You can't get this sales conversions hard. You can't get it on the mobile. That's the disadvantage of running your ad using the Meta Ads Manager. You won't be able to have access to all the campaign objectives as you can on the Facebook website platform, especially this sales. And as a small business, sales should be your concern whenever you are running your ad. So now the page likes, you can get that under engagements. You get it, page likes. So that is that about the difference between this particular one and this particular one. So but the business of the day, guys, is to run Facebook or Instagram ad using the Meta Ads Manager app on our phone. So how to run Facebook and Instagram ad on phone. So we are going to be using this app. I think I'll have to bring this one to the center now, or probably I have to magnetize it. This is the business of the day. Okay, so this is it, guys. I'll be walking us through how to run either Facebook or Instagram ad using our phones. So the next thing you want to do now is you select your campaign objective. Once you get to the app, let me go back and show us how it goes. Once you get to the app like this, it automatically detects your Facebook accounts and the pages you have created on it. I hope you guys get that. So the next thing you want to do is you click on this plus button like this. So once you've done that, then you select your marketing objective. As you can see here, it says what's your marketing objective. So what you want to do now is you select what's your purpose for running your ad. You should always have an objective. You can't run a particular ad to achieve another objective. So Facebook has structured it in such a way that whatever it is you want to achieve with your marketing, you can select the objective. So now, just that the Meta Ads Manager app is limited, there are some things you would see if you access the ads manager through the Facebook website. That's your on your laptop. There are some things you see, like I showed you guys earlier. There are some things you would see there that you won't have access to using the Meta Ads Manager app. So like the sales conversion and some other things. So now, guys, you select the objective. Let's say my objective here is to send traffic to my website. Let me say website traffic. Actually, this page I'm using does not have a website, but I'll be imputing a website there. Now this at this stage, at this level, you would have to select your ad creative, which is either your ad image or your ad video. So you can click on change image, you can click on single format like this to see which formats you have. You can either choose the single image, single video, carousel formats, or you can create an ad using the post you have on your Facebook or your Instagram accounts. So but in this case, let me use the one I have on the platform. Let me use one of these. Let me use this particular hair. Let me use this one. So it should be loading up now. Okay, it's loaded up. So as it is now, we've chosen our ad creative, which is this particular image. Now once you are done like this, you click on this arrow here. So once you are here now, the next thing we want to do is to impute your headline, which is very important. So this process I'm actually walking you guys through, you can use it to run your ad you can use it to run your Instagram ad or your Facebook ad. So in fact, this is the best way to run your Instagram ad. Is either you run it directly from the website's ads manager, Facebook ads manager on the website, or you use this particular one rather than just going to the Instagram app and using the boost post. This is the best way to do it. If you are not using the website platform, then you should be using this Meta Ads platform to do it. Meta Ads Manager app to do it. So now you input the headline, which could be get this braided, don't mind the white type, braided wig and enjoy 30% discount today. The primary text the primary text could be something like neatly weaved braided wig. For you and to enhance your look. Your primary text is your hard copy, so you have to be thoughtful, really thoughtful about it. You have to think it over. I'm only using a short something like this because it's just a walkthrough video. So the website now, you input the website here. Then in this case I'll be using, let me use my own personal website. But if you have a WhatsApp link, you can direct them to your WhatsApp instead of sending them to your website. You send them to your WhatsApp. So but in this case I'll be leaving this link like this. Let me use this link. This is a website created with Google. So now you select the call to action, which could either be shop now. Shop now is good. Let's see other ones. If you are selling physical products, you can either use the shop now or you use the get offer if it's there. Okay, we don't have the get offer, then the shop now is good. No order now as well. Okay, I guess this is one of the limitations of using the app. Either you use shop now, you use order now, but you only have the shop now option here. So now the next thing is to scroll down, placements. This is exactly where you are going to choose whether you want your ad to show on Facebook alone, or you want it to show on Instagram alone, or you want it to show on both platforms. So you come to, from this automatic recommended, you change it to manual. You see, now you select which platform or which platforms you want your ad to show on. These are the platforms. First off, you have the device type. Do you want it to show on the desktop feeds alone, or both desktop and mobile, or the mobile alone? So you can select it here if you want. Then the platforms, we have Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and messenger. For this messenger, you have to clear it. You can just follow the steps you use to run the normal websites hard. That's for those that know how to do that. So if you don't know how to do that, just follow this process. Publish your ad. Let me go back. Okay, now we've removed the messenger. Let's remove the audience network as well. Clear all. Click on clear all. It has been cleared. So we now have the Facebook and the Instagram platforms alone. So if you want to run your ad to both of these platforms, then you leave it like this, all. But if you want to run it to Facebook alone, you click on this Instagram and you clear it. And if you want to run to Instagram alone, you click on Facebook and you clear it. So whichever way, that's how to go about it. Either you are running for your Instagram, or you are running for your Facebook. You are running the ad for your Instagram, or you are running the ad for your Facebook. So that's how to go about it. So once you are done on this particular level, you click on this icon here, click on it. It takes you to the next stage like this. Then you click on this forward like this. Now this is where you select your audience and their location. So what you want to do here is, under this audience here, you click on create new audience. Create. So the first thing you want to do is, you can name the audience if you want. Let's say test audience. Then include the location. Which location do you want? Let me remove this Lagos State first, so I can show you guys how to go about it. Click on edit. delete it. So if you are running to the whole of Nigeria, then you click on search locations, then type Nigeria country like this. As you can see, it has been selected. But if the product you are selling is location specific, or you don't have the capacity to deliver your product to different states, then you can select the states you can easily deliver the product to. So you come back, click on edit like this, click on Nigeria, delete it, then you type Lagos. Make sure it's Lagos, Nigeria, states, region. Let it be region. It shouldn't be city, because if you choose city, then you are selling to those on the island alone. Okay, let's say Lagos. Nigeria. It has to be region. Let me see. It has to be region, not city. Let me type it again. Like this particular one, region. Click on it. So like that, you have selected Lagos states. Now we are the age level, so let's select the working class, starting from the working class, age of 23. Then somebody of 55 should still use wig, but let's do 50. So this particular product is gender specific, women alone. Let's click on women. Then detailed targeting. Who do you want to target your ad to? Include. Make sure whatever it is you are choosing here, make sure it is interest based. I think I have some recent interests, as you can see, wig, but let me search afresh. Let me search hair this way. So as you can see, hair products, hair care. These are the kind of interest you should be targeting if you are selling hair, if you are into hair sales. Hair care, personal hair care, hair conditioning, hair removal care, long hair, and so many other interests like that, interests that are related to your product. So once you are done selecting your audience, then you click on this. Okay, so we are done selecting our audience. The next thing you want to do is click on this button here. Now this is where you select your budgets. Advise between 3,000 to 5,000 for a start. So that's your daily budgets. If you want your ad to run daily, then Facebook would charge you 3,000 naira daily. So that's if you funded. You have to fund your account first, your ad account. You have to fund it. So you can either choose to run it continuously, or you turn it off. So if you turn it off, you have to select the number of days you want the ad to run. As you can see, 7654. But I always advise to run ad continuously, so that you can come back to turn it off yourself. But make sure you you don't forget. So the next thing is, we are done here. You click on this icon here, then it takes you to the place order page, where you can review your ad and eventually publish it. So once you click on the save order, your ad publishes, and if your ad is approved, it will go live and you start receiving orders. So guys, I won't be publishing this, I won't be placing an order. It's just a walkthrough video. Let me save it first. I might want to run the ad probably later. Save as draft. So guys, that is just the simple way to run either your Facebook ad or your Instagram ad using your smartphone. So guys, I think with that I've come to the end of this video. Thank you guys, and do have a great time.